Dear students, last period I had taken some problems of this exercise 7.2. Now, question number 5 is finished. This question number 5 is over here. Now I am taking question number 6 here. If your question is if in bracket 1 comma 2 4 comma y say third bracket x comma 6 and the fourth bracket 3 comma y are the vertices of parallelograms taken in order, find x and y. First of all, we draw figure parallelogram here. This is question number 6. It is our parallelogram. We take we give the name A, B, C and D. Here point A is 1 comma 2, point B 4 comma y, point C x comma 6, and the last point D is 3 comma 5. Now we use here the properties of our parallelograms. This is our diagonal AC and the BD. These two diagonals intersect at point O here. Now we write diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at point O, and we know that the diagonal and that means here O is a midpoint of AC as well as BD. यहाँ पे जो point O जो है वो दोनों के लिए midpoint होगा. So we write midpoint of AC is equals to midpoint of BD. We use here midpoint formula for AC. For AC here 1 plus x upon 2 and 2 plus 6 upon 2, and here right side 4 plus 3 upon 2 and y plus 5 upon 2. Now we solve it. 1 plus x upon 2, here is 2 plus 6 means 8 upon 2, and this side 7 upon 2, here y plus 5 upon 2. Now after that 1 plus x upon 2 comma here 8 upon 2 means 4, and this side 7 comma 2, 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 upon 2. And now we equate here x coordinate and then y coordinate, means 1 plus x upon 2 is equals to 7 by 2. We shift first 2 to right side, means 1 plus x equals to 7 by 2 into 2, and 2 into is cancelled here, so 1 plus x equals to 7, and then x equals to here 7 minus 1 and x equals to 6. We got the value of x here 6. Now we calculate for y. 4 is equals to y plus 5 upon 2. We shift 4 to left side, means 4 into 2 is equals to y plus 5. 8 is equals to y plus 5, and then y is equals to 8 minus 5. So we get here y is equals to 3. Both the values we got here, x equals to 6 and then y is equals to 3 here. So now the next question is, I am taking question number 8. If A and B are the vertices minus 2 comma 2 and 4 minus 4, 2 minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of point P such that AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB here. So see here question number 8. It is our line segment. Its name is AB and P lies on the line segment, means point P is here, and here the ratio of means value here AP is equals to 3 by 7 AB, or we can write AP upon AB is equals to 3 upon 7. means it is a 7 and it is 3. That means this part is 4. This part will be 4. So AP upon AB is equals to 3 upon 7. That means BP upon AB is equals to 4:7. So we get the ratio of AP and BP. AP is to BP is equals to 3:4. This is the ratio of AP and BP is 3:4. So now here the coordinates of point A. Coordinates of point A here. Here is -2, -2, -2, -2, -2, and the point B is 2, -4. We get here the ratio AP is to BP is equals to 3:4. Now here the coordinates of point A -2, -2, -2, -2, and the coordinates of point B here 2, -4. Now to find here the coordinates of point P, we use here section formula by using, or first of all we write here point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:4. So we use here section formula. By using section formula, coordinates of point P is equals to, in a bracket we use your formula mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, m1 x2, and here m2 x1, here m1 and m2. So here m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is our formula. Now we put the value here. M1 means, here m1 means 3 and m2 means 4. Now put here 3 into, here x2 is 2, then plus here m2 is 4 into x1 means the value of x1 here -2 and upon 3 plus 4, and here is 3 into, here y2 is -4 plus 4 into y1 here -2 upon 3 plus 4, and is equals to here 3 2s are 6 plus minus 4 2s are 8 upon 7. Here is -12 plus minus 4 2s are 8 upon 7, and finally here 6 minus 8 means -2 upon 7, and here is -20 upon 7. We get the coordinates here, coordinates of point P here -2 upon 7, comma -20 upon 7. So now I am taking here this question number 10. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4, -2, -1, taken in orders. Here here hint is given here. Area of a rhombus is equals to half bracket product of its diagonal. So now this is our question number 10. we draw here first. It's a rhombus. This is the point A, B, C and D. The coordinates of coordinates for point A 3, 0, 4B 4, 5, C -1, -4 and 4D -2, -1. Now this is AC and this one is the BC. So we find here diagonals AC. For the diagonal AC and the BD, we use the distance formula here. Using distance formula for AB here for AC here is -1 -3 whole square plus -4 -0 whole square, and is equals to -1 and -3 means -4 whole square. Here is -4 whole square. That means here 16 plus 16 means 32, or 32 means 16 into 2 means 4√2. So now next diagonal is the BD. Now we find here BD. For the points of BD, here -2 -4 whole square, here -1 -5 whole square. So here is -2 -4 means -6 whole square. Here is also -6. Square of -6 means 36 plus 36 means here is 72. So 72 means 36 into 2, and we got here 6√2. 30 square root of 36 means 6. So 6√2. Now we find the area of rhombus. We use the formula here, half into product of its diagonal, means AC into BD here. Here AC is 4√2 and BD is 6√2. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are 4 means 2√2 into 6√2. 2 6 are 12 and √2 into √2 2 means 12 2s are 24. This is a square unit.